Hey guys, it's Yaro here. I'm a founder of Pipl.ai, and with this quick video, I just wanted to give you a quick overview over the platform, what to expect from it, and what is the current development state of it. So without further ado, let's jump straight into our admin account so I can actually show you around. So it is still in very early beta. However, the vast majority of functions you need to start sending your first outbound campaigns are already there. Just to give you a sense of it, we focused on developing the smoothest experience possible for marketers to run any sort of outbound. And that literally is on the dashboard. Whenever you get into your campaigns module, you can instantly see how your entire account performs. Well, what happens if you want to, for example, check on specific campaign stats? Well, you just click on that and that instantly brings you to the specific stat analytics, where you can check the overall stats over your campaign, how every one of your steps, including variations, performs, how your leads perform, and what activities they do with your emails. To get back to the general dashboard, you just click on this small tiny button, and then you got the overall overview on your account performance. Simple as that, all done from one screen. So let's actually take a look at a sequence editor. Let's take one random campaign out of test campaigns that you created with this account so far, and click on either edit campaign or nice icon thing here on the top right that serves the same purpose. So here is the campaign editor, and again, it is very simple and I would say somewhat elegant solution. It's very streamlined. So here is the space where you can actually upload a list of prospects. Right now we support upload of CSV files. We have plans to also add a synchronization with Google Drive and with a couple of CRMs, but for now, for our early beta, we support CSVs. Please do disregard some UI glitches. It's still in development. It will look way better than this one. So let's go ahead and pick a certain CSV file out of my computer to get a sense of it. Literally any CSV file. So whenever you upload a file, you will have an ability. Unfortunately, it's not there at the moment. It will be there in about a week. You will have an ability for our engine to run and cleanse all the data, including validation of email addresses and enriching prospect info before adding them to the campaign database. Like I said, it will roll out in about a week or so. We have the front end for it. We have a back end for it. It's just not on the server right now. So let's go ahead and take a look at the sequences module. Again, the sequence editor is really easy and straightforward to understand. You have probably used same solutions in the past with other tools. Our main goal here was to build some extra functions on top of regular sequence editors, so you can add as many sequence steps as possible. You can easily edit a delay between steps in days. In future, we will also add an ability to add delays in hours. You can seamlessly pause or delete any steps that step variations that you don't feel should be there. You also can pretty seamlessly create variations of your campaign testing different variations of subject lines or call to actions or email body, anything you literally like. And the selector of these variations is very straightforward and easy to understand. Currently, you can add only like 26 variations, but that's the limitation of English alphabet. But we will add an ability to add to get more variations of the same sequence step moving forward. It's not like 100% elegant solution, but I like the UI. So you might wonder, what are these two shiny buttons in here? Well, the blue one is all about the selector of your variables. You can select as system installed, pre-installed variables, and also variables from the CSV data you uploaded. It's very important for giving you ability to personalize your emails. The second one is not ready yet. It should be ready by the time of our public launch in about 4 to 6 weeks. This is the boilerplate of the AI sequence editor that allows you, number one, to check the existing copy for any spam words and adjust your email to maximize chances it's being read by the prospect and maximize chance it gets a reply. But also we will provide a functional where you can create, where our engine can write up the entire sequence up to 10 steps, including follow-ups based on a prompt of what your company does, what you're selling, and to whom are you selling. So that feature will allow you to get the entire sequence in literally a couple minutes by just putting in some simple prompts. We already have an API development access to GPT-4, so the results going to be amazing here. Moving on to the next step, we have pretty much the same functional for schedules. You can schedule your emails, you can schedule your follow-ups, specific days of the week, specific times of the day, and also you're able to pick a specific time zone you want your campaign to send emails. We will also add an ability to send emails based on prospect's time zone. So very simple. And moving on to the settings, here you will be able to assign specific email accounts to send to you that campaign uses to send your outbound emails. Simple as that. And also a couple of safety settings just to make sure you never hit spam or do anything shady, so you can stop sending emails on reply. In future, we will also add an ability to pause campaigns for all colleagues of that specific prospect based on their domain. If you receive a reply from any one of them, you also can enable or disable open tracking and link tracking, and also you can add and subscribe link in your emails. Moving on to the so-called warm-up. Again, very simple and straightforward UI. You can connect your email accounts. Currently we support G Suite, and we're able to connect your email accounts using SMTP and IMAP method. Moving forward, at the time of our public launch, we will be also able to connect Office 365, Zoho accounts, and literally any third-party email service providers you might be using. But for now, it's just Gmail and SMTP IMAP. So here on the dashboard, you have a screen of, give me a second here. And it bugged. All right. Getting back to it. Sorry about that. So it's still in production. Very early build, so it bugs all the time. We work like literally in the trenches to make it work very fast and very smooth. So getting back to our inbox connector, you can connect your inboxes and instantly see how it performs in terms of deliverability and how it performs in terms of running a warm-up. All the important stats around all your connected inboxes are here on the right. In order to see the specific stats about a specific email address, you can just click on that, and that will bring up stats tied up to that specific email address, and also all the historical data that you might need. Again, if there is anything bad happening with one of your email addresses, we will send you instant alerts to let you know that something weird or bad is going on with your email address, so you are never caught off the guard and you can fix issues very fast. Talking about the Unibox feature, that's the last one I will present here. It's very simple and straightforward. It collects responses from your prospects from all the campaigns and all the email IDs that you send from, puts them into a simple UI so that you can reply to them centralizedly, never miss any reply in future again. And it's very simple and straightforward way for us, for our very first build, to roll out and make it actually functional. So that's pretty much it for this quick intro, guys. I know it's over 10 minutes now, but I wanted to cover everything real quick. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, or shoot me a DM or email. I would be happy to address those. Please note that current build is not ready for production yet. You will be able to send your emails in about 2 to 3 weeks. So it's like mid-April 2023. So be aware of that. Thank you so much. Thank you for your attention, and looking forward to see you on the board. Thanks.